Welcome back to the AZ Online Car Show. We are at Chevrolet today. We are gonna walk on in and see what is inside. I have a special treat for you guys. Why not we walk in and get going? Before we get going, I want to thank the guys at Sands Chevrolet for letting us come into their showroom during normal business hours to bring you this presentation. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we gotta be quiet here. It is a very busy operation, but we're about to show you guys some absolute classic vehicles from Chevrolet. Why not we get going? So this is the Chevrolet Impala section. There are 4 of these beauties. There's the black one, there are 2 orange ones, and a yellow one down there at the end. We're gonna take a look at all these. The black one, not sure what year it is yet, but it is in pristine condition. They don't make these Impalas the way they used to, that is for sure. It is one of a kind. This thing is a beast, to say the least. Nice original red leather interior. Look at this. They had the ignition, 13,000 original miles. Believe the owner is Buzz Sands. I believe he is the original owner of Sands. This is a 1959 348. Man, this thing is nice. We're gonna take a look at this Bel Air right here. They look fairly similar to the Impala, but it is still a gorgeous looking vehicle. White wall tires. White wall tires on this thing is absolutely amazing. This paint is immaculate. The top is in good shape though too. Full leather interior. Got your Bel Air. I love how we got the analog clock on the passenger side. You got the look there. Nice Chevy logo right there. This car's in really, really good shape. Your original floor mats. Got your white wall tires to cover up the rear wheels and your spare tire cover. Believe this is a 58 Impala right here. Got some white walls with some dirt on them, but it still looks absolutely awesome. Got your clock right here. Impala. Your analog dash. Something you don't get to see anymore these days. The interior. You got the Bel Air on the end right here. Also has the white walls on them. This is in a little bit rougher shape than the other 3, but definitely a piece of American history. This one is very similar to the other Bel Air that we just showed you guys. The interior is still fairly nice. So this is the Bel Air and Impala section. This is the new generation of Corvettes. These are the super fast Corvettes. They got 3 of them in stock. The middle one's the Z06. I believe the 2 on the left and the right are the LTs. We're gonna check out this blue one right here. This is a Stingray Coupe 1 LT. This is like your base model right here. $78,264 for a 2026. Believe you can get this one as part of the Memorial Day sale. This is the Z06, the one that everybody loves to get into. I know this is goals for everybody. How much is this one? The Z06. We're going to ask a salesman, and we're going to put that in the comment section. These big aggressive wheels. I love how the brake calipers match the paint. This is mean, aggressive, ready to go to the racetrack and absolutely destroy somebody. Your Z06 badge. We're gonna show you the interior of this one though. I believe this is your regular LT. Nice aggressive looking spoiler. You got your 305 30/20s on the rear. A little bit smaller up front. These are your 19s up front. I believe this is a LT still. Stingray 1 LT. A little bit more than the blue one, $79,314. We're gonna take a peek inside. All your bells and whistles right there. Your screen. And for Memorial Day, they're having a military appreciation sale. Looks like somebody's been in here, but still a fairly nice vehicle. And look at the back. You can see the engine right back there. How awesome is that? This is your Corvette section. We're gonna take a look at the lineage of Corvettes in here. This is the long lines of Corvette history. We started out with the current generation. It walks all the way around the corner. This one's my favorite color. It's got the 396. I believe this is mid-60s. Got their Stingray. Love the blue on white. Got your 4-speed manual, analog gauges. This Corvette, believe this is in the late 70s to early 80s. I want to say this is the C3. Nice looking Corvette. fairly nice. Take a look at the interior. Ooh, it's got a radio in here. Nice. This is a collector's edition. I want to say this is a cop that owned this because of the radio right there. This right here is this is an '82 Corvette from Massachusetts. Has a 5.7 from '82, $24,452. This is what it was back in the '80s. I believe this is something that it would have been had back in the '70s though. Nice red Stingray. Very, very nice. It's got the manual pattern. This one is one of the fast Corvettes. It can go up to 160 miles an hour. Has their gauges on here. Nice looking interior. The more that we go on here, the earlier that we get. All these are manuals, I believe. Look how they put the seatbelts right here. That is so cool. These vehicles are absolutely awesome. I love to own the Corvette, especially the C5 from about 98 to 2003. Those are my favorite Corvettes of all time. But these Corvettes are absolutely awesome too. And then I believe these are the original Corvettes. All these guys. Take a look at this orange one. This orange one is absolutely to the niceness. If you guys are in Arizona, there is quite a large Corvette following. I know that the Obsessions Car Club in Southern Arizona always has a fair amount of Corvettes at their shows. Love for you guys to come out to their Cars and Coffee the second Saturday of every month. We will be out there most Saturdays. Last but not least, this is a monster. This is the SS 427. Leaks a little bit of oil, but you know, that is very minor. You don't see these every day, especially in this color. One of the best vehicles ever made. You got your loud exhaust with the tail down. You may not be able to do this in Phoenix because it's starting to get hot out here. It's going to be around 105 for Mother's Day weekend, but if you're in somewhere else around the country, why not take the top down and take this beauty or something like this for a ride? And take a look at the interior. Room for 5. Nice roomy interior. Great car to take out on the open highway. This is a Chevy SS with the 427 in it. I want to thank Sands Chevrolet once again for having me in their showroom to show you guys all their classic cars. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment to the video. That would really help me out. Stay blessed, everybody. Have a very happy Mother's Day weekend. Happy Mother's Day to all the mamas out here. Stay blessed, everyone, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.